Hi guys, it's Nicole, and today I'm sharing my final project with the March Flavors of the Month kit. Today I'm going to be the lower right hand side of this photo. This is the Photo Play. Oh shoot. They made the title too small. Okay, it's and another candle? I can't read that. Something about candles. Anyways, it's a really bright, fun birthday line. And I am going to warn you guys, this video is going to be very short, and this kind of happens to me with probably at least one of the flavors out of the 4 every month, and this is not a bad thing. Typically, I'll find myself with one kit that just sort of comes together really quickly. I don't end up using a ton of product, but at the end, I have a well-balanced layout that I like, that's in my style, sort of checks all the boxes for me. And again, I kind of just credit it to already having stuff picked out for me that coordinates, having like specific embellishments that just end up working. Originally, when I first got the kit and I opened it, now I'm having a hard time remembering. I believe the 12 by 12 sticker sheet was part of the main kit. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to stick with the main kit. I'm not going to go into any of the add-ons. And a lot of the stickers were really big, and I was finding myself drawn to some of those bigger elements. And so I was like, you know what? I'm just going to kind of go with a design that I've done multiple times. Hi, honey. Can you move, please? And repeating designs like that for sure speeds things up. I like to make maybe like a little mini scene. I like to have borders. In this case, I used like a phrase border sticker and then like the banner. And I actually used one of the pattern papers as a background. So I didn't use any of the cardstock that came with this one. And I notice a lot of the times that these layouts that are super quick, don't use a ton of product, don't use like a lot of like techniques. Like I didn't die cut anything for this one. I didn't add anything from my stash for this one. A lot of times it's, I don't want to say like bad photos or like a bad event. This is, myself and my in-laws all have birthdays at the beginning of October. So typically I tend to have like a handful of photos of going to dinner or something like that. And in this case, I kind of forgot to take a lot of photos. So I only had a few. So I knew that going with a collage type thing was going to work for me. And then hitting those key elements of title, journaling, and then any photos that I had. And for whatever reason, those end up being just super quick, super simple layouts. Whereas, you know, I had the die cut scene one the other day where that one took a lot more time. I was doing a lot more stuff. I was having more fun just creatively. And then I kind of circle back around to something like this, where this took me maybe 20 minutes. Doesn't have a ton of product, but overall, it is my style. It is all the things that I like. And I like bouncing around between things like that. I like bouncing around between a layout that takes me 4 or 5 days and a layout that takes me 20 minutes. I think that that is what kind of keeps me going creatively. And I don't know, I just kind of go with what the mood strikes. I don't really have like a set method to my layouts, which is why some of them will take me 4 days and some will take me 20 minutes. But definitely having this kit sort of already curated, decisions already made, 100% speeds up the process. And I did the same thing with this one, where when I was at home, I kind of pulled up my photos, figured out what I had, went with the collage, sketched out a little like game plan on the notes that I brought with me. And I even made sure to bring I did bring my date stamps with me, but I ended up doing like the journaling and the date stamping when I got home. And then the last thing that I do is I just go back through the sticker sheet and see if there's like any kind of small embellishment that I can use instead of going through and pulling out like enamel dots or sequins or something like that. And in this instance, there was these little like confetti puff looking things. So I just went with that. And then I just like to double check and see if there's anything else on the sticker sheet that I really, really like and I want to try to fit on there. And then I call it good. Like I said, sometimes it's going to be 2 hours, 2 days, sometimes it's 20 minutes. So with that, I'm going to leave you guys here and get back to editing some more videos and figuring out what I'm going to work on for the rest of the month. With that, I'll catch you guys later and down below in the comments.